Welcome to our channel, Taste of Mountain. Today we are diving into a cherished Bengali tradition with a dish that's close to every Bengali heart, Katla Macher Kaliya. The rich flavors, the golden fried fish, and the perfectly spiced gravy will transport you straight to a Bengali feast. So, let's begin this flavorful journey together. First, let's take 500 gram of katla fish from a beautiful 3 kilograms fish. Now, let's prepare the marinade. Salt 1 teaspoon. Turmeric 1 tablespoon. Mustard oil 1 teaspoon. Coat the fish evenly with salt, turmeric, and mustard oil. Let this rest for about 15 minutes, allowing the spices to seep in. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. While the fish marinates, we heat some mustard oil in a kadai. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the fish pieces for frying. Keep the flame medium to high. As the fish fries, we'll prepare the masalas using the traditional shilpata, which is grinding stone to get that authentic flavor. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip the fish carefully and fry the other side until golden brown. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Another 3 to 4 minutes and flip it one last time for the final touch. Look at that gorgeous golden color. It's perfect. Remove the fish from the kadai and set it aside. Now, let's fry one potato, cut into pieces, and once fried, set it aside. In the same oil, we'll now add some whole spices. 2 green cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, 2 bay leaves cut in half, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies. Give it a gentle stir, releasing all the beautiful aromas. Next, add 1 medium-sized onion paste and stir it well until it softens. Now, add 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 3 to 4 green chilies. Stir everything until the raw aroma of the ginger and garlic fades away. Next, add 1½ fresh tomato puree, mixing it thoroughly. Add a pinch of salt to help the tomatoes cook faster. Now, it's time to add the rest of the spices. Half a tablespoon coriander paste, 1½ tablespoon cumin paste, 1½ tablespoon fresh green and red chili paste. Mix everything well and then add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder to give that vibrant color. Cook until the oil separates from the masalas. Now, stir in 3 to 4 tablespoons yogurt and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the fried potatoes and keep cooking until the masala dries a bit. Now, it's time to add water for the gravy. When the water starts boiling, gently add the fried fish back into the kadai. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Lower the heat to medium and let the magic happen for the next 3 to 4 minutes. For the final touch, add 1 tablespoon browned garam masala. One tablespoon ghee, clarified butter. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it, Katla Macher Kaliya, ready to be enjoyed with steaming hot rice. Serve it with love and enjoy the rich, authentic taste of Bengal.